Tiling's actually an absolute disaster because the floor tiles are moved. They're moving all over the place. We have to work on top of the floor tiles that we laid about 7 hours ago. In the real world, you should leave your tiles at least a day before you walk on them. I was up till 3 in the morning, making them all perfect, and now they're all I'm the builder. Why wouldn't I do as much of the work I could myself? But my quality is compromised with the timeline. Really, I find it upsetting.
So it's just moving when you put the ladder on it?
Yeah. I don't know whether to just pull them up and... Well, we can't pull up where the bath is, but...
So what, you pull them all up tonight?
Oh, I don't know.
With only 25 hours till delivery, fellow builder Norm wants to offer a solution.
I had a chat to Spence and Kerry this morning just to see how they were going. How'd you go last night, mate?
Got all the full tiles down on the floor.
Yep.
But then in there walking on them and they're just all moving.
It's no good.
No. I'm so over it, to be honest. It's like, this is not how you should build.
It's a pain in the arse. You know there's a rapid glue for tiling?
Yeah, right.
What's the name of it?
I'll find out. I've just given him a hand to find out what that product is, just to try and help him so he can get his tiles down. Just trying to help him out, just trying to pick him up a bit, you know. You know what I learned out of that 48-hour challenge?
You can't do it all.
Nah, work smarter, not harder. If Spence hired a tiler, his tiler probably would have known about this rapid glue, and then Spence mightn't be in the spot that he is in at the moment.
Today is Saturday, and they've just got 22 hours left to reveal. And Keith and Dan are worried.
This looks so dodgy, doesn't it?
These are wet still.
Well, how are we going to work in it? And the other thing I've noticed too, now, see the floor tiles right there, these are 600.
They're not matching up.
They're not matching up. These grout lines don't line up. He's made a mistake.
There's a few aesthetic errors here.
Well, he's not a tiler. I reckon we need to speak to Spence, ask him why these margins aren't lining up.
Geez, we're a bit behind, aren't we?
We've just got a couple of questions, Spence.
Yeah, mate.
Look at this, mate.
These tiles are 600, these tiles are 600. Why have we got the step?
Because of the drain. And I didn't want to have a split cut at the door.
That hits your eye as soon as you walk in. Bang. If I had this on one of my jobs, I'd be making the tile rip it up to start again.
Yeah. I think the best thing now is to think, what's the process? We're going to need to get the bath, toilet, tile under all them.
That's what... Yeah.
So we've got 6 hours of power tools left. That's all we've got.
Yep.
I don't reckon it's enough time.
You probably need a tiler, I reckon, just to help you.
Yep. No, we're not enjoying the process. Or I'm definitely not enjoying the process.
So
We better leave you to it.
We've only got 6 hours of power tools left. We've really got to make the most of it.
Oh, you'll be up all night, all right?
It's out of my comfort zone and I don't want to do this anymore. This is not normal. I like to take time and do it right.